You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this originally French surname, how it's usually said in English as well, and what's the correct way of pronouncing this company name as well. The French pronunciation is Desautels. You know, the S is silent, as is quite usual in French. So Desautels. Now, the company name, I believe it's based in Canada, Quebec, Canada. They do pronounce it also as Desautels in French, or Desautels. Let's listen to somebody who works there say it.
Desautels Capital Management is the word.
Desautels is how they say it, even in English. Did you hear that? Desautels is how they pronounce it. I've heard people say Desautels. No, Desautels. Desautels. Even in English, because it's from French. Desautels. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.